Welcome to the most advanced behavior analytic and adaptive computer software program called Train to Code. Train to Code is a new and innovative software system unlike anything else. Simply put, Train to Code allows administrators and professionals to precisely pinpoint and develop a customized and adaptive program that coaches its users while also collecting data on their performance. What makes Train to Code unique is that the program fine-tunes its coaching in real time based on current performance levels and provides immediate feedback. Practically any behavior can be fine-tuned through Train to Code's system. Anywhere from teaching novice referees to accurately judge athletes, to maintaining reliable and/or increased performance among therapists and staff in treatment settings. Train to Code works by playing the trainee a video clip. Then the trainee pauses the video and identifies the behavior. All right, so let's get started and take a tour of what Train to Code's interface looks like. Beginning at the upper left-hand corner of the screen, you will see several tabs: Train to Code, Programs, Orientation, Training, Certification, Accuracy, and Behavior Analysis. These tabs are used to navigate through different sections of Train to Code. To the upper right, you will find the program title that will display the name of the program you are currently on. On the right side of the screen, you will find a section labeled Behavior Categories Examples, also known as a behavioral taxonomy. You will see that this section contains many abbreviations for specific behaviors, which will be used by you for identifying and coding different behaviors. At the bottom of this section, you will find a small gray tab labeled Replays Behavior. Like the title suggests, this tab can be used to replay the previous behavior clip. During a Train to Code session, make sure to pay attention to the colored video frame that borders the video display or viewing window. The yellow frame illuminates when an identifiable behavior is ongoing. During this time, you can also look above the viewing window to see the current performance level and the ongoing accuracy score. A red frame illuminates when an identifiable behavior ends without being coded. As you become more proficient, these colored frames will fade. Throughout your training, the active time of your current session will be displayed here. Typically, at the beginning and end of a session in Train to Code, you will be presented with an instructional message such as this. When you are presented with a message, make sure you relax and take your time reading the entire paragraph. Remember, you have as much time as you need. When you are finished reading the message, you can continue by pressing the Return or Enter key located on the right side of your keyboard. Now that you are familiar with Train to Code's interface, let's begin with the necessary keystrokes and commands for analyzing behavior with this system. Throughout Train to Code, you will be presented with video or audio clips of varying length, showing behaviors that you will need to analyze, identify, and code by selecting a term or an abbreviation for the term from the behavioral taxonomy, and using your numbered keypad, which corresponds to the numbered code. You also have the option to use your mouse and cursor for clicking on the relevant code when necessary. After you have gone through each and every behavior code, you will be ready to apply these new skills and begin coding those behaviors in real time.